Today's tip. Even the worst drought is followed by rain. 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 Even the worst drought
beginning to
follow
accept this
rain.
belief now.
Even the worst drought is followed by rain. Even the worst drought is followed by rain. Even the worst drought is followed by rain. Even
Conscious
the
mind
worst
can begin to
drought
accept that you can
followed
accept
by
this
rain.
belief now deeply
Even
into
the
your
worst
neurology.
drought is followed by rain. Even the worst 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 drought is followed by rain.
Accepting this
Even
belief now,
the worst drought
you
is
can
followed
begin to
by rain.
notice the changes deep
Even
inside you
the
now.
worst drought is followed by rain. Even the worst drought is followed by rain.
That's right.
Even
Accepting it
the
now
worst drought
deeply.
is followed by rain. Even the worst drought 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 is followed by rain.
And you can just begin to
Even the
relax.
worst drought is followed by rain. Even the worst drought is followed by rain.
Allowing your unconscious mind to
Even
accept this
the worst
belief
drought
deeply
followed
now
by
for
rain.
you.
Even the worst drought is followed by rain.
Beginning to make those deep changes within
the
your
worst
life
drought
now.
is followed by rain. Even the worst drought 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 is followed by rain.
That's
Even
right. Beginning
the
to
worst
accept that
drought
deeply now.
is followed by rain. Even the worst drought is followed by rain. Even the worst drought is followed by rain.
Already making those changes.
Even
Already
the
beginning
worst
to
drought
change
is
your
followed by
life.
rain. Even the worst drought is followed by rain.
That's right.
Even the worst drought is followed by rain. Even the worst drought
I
is followed
wonder
by
how
rain.
much change you begin to really
Even
notice
the worst
right
drought
down
is
deep
followed by
within
rain.
you now.
Even the worst drought is followed by rain. Even the worst drought is followed by rain. Even the worst drought is followed by rain. Even the worst drought is followed by rain.
That's
Even the worst drought is followed by rain. 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 Even the worst drought is followed by rain.
That's right. Begin to make those changes now. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you got a lot of value from the video that you were watching. Just before you go, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up button here. Post your comment down below. And also don't forget to click the red subscribe button like this and the bell notification right here so that you get notified of new videos coming into your newsfeed as and when they're uploaded. See you soon now. Bye bye. So just very quickly, I'm going to just introduce you to the members area. I'm behind the scenes in the Anxiety Away membership area. So in the homepage, what we have is the workbook, which you can download right here. And in how to use the site, you'll have simple step-by-step instructions, plus you'll have the Zoom calls as well. I won't scroll any further down because we have a private link for all members to log in on the for the Zoom call. So tremendous value. Every fortnight you're going to jump on with me live on the calls, and we're going to sort out whatever issue you've got going on. We're going to chat about things, and we're going to keep everything progressive. So there's a huge amount of value live on these calls. They happen every fortnight, so it's incredible value right there. When you get to the Anxiety Away program, what you'll find is weeks 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 will be locked. All of these come out weekly, so when you first log in, these will be grayed out. Obviously week 1 will be open to you, and just to show you what that sort of looks like is you have all your videos down below, as you can see. I'll just scroll through here very quickly. At the end you have a check-in video where I'll check in with you, see how things are going, what's going on, and you can also leave a comment right down below where you could interact, ask questions, share some inspiration. Keep it all positive, keep it progressive. That's the name of the game. We're trying to help and support each other and bring up everyone's mood. Okay. In the resources section we have inspirations. Now inspirations are memes that you can use in your Instagram, in Pinterest, or wherever you can share this type of information. Just keep it as it is and you're all good to go. So that's again quite a good resource. In the Library of Calm area, don't worry about this green bit here, that's just my Grammarly working. In the Library of Calm you've got a selection of different types of videos. We've got hypnosis, we've got mindfulness, we've got relaxing piano music, we've got videos that I use on a regular day-to-day basis to help me with my own stuff, and it's all here in this resource. So you've got a lifetime of access to this resource. You've got a lifetime resource here that you can dip in, dip out, get exposed to different types of people, different types of styles, and it just keeps things fresh and interesting for you. I really believe that the more people you learn from, the better it is. But the great thing about this is you don't have to go searching and spending hours and hours trying to find out what's a good track, because I've spent many months and hours trying to find the best information for you that I personally use or have used at some point in the past. The next section on this is the workbook and guide, just exactly as it is. And Shaan's Mindful Moments, this comes out 35 days into your membership. Okay, so 35 days into your membership you get access to Shaan's Mindful Moments. How to describe it? Well, it's just a huge resource. There's over 65 videos here, added to on a regular basis. And we've got all sorts of different topics for just to help you with daily motivation, putting things into perspective. And it's just a lifetime resource. I mean, you'd have to go through it and check it out in your own time to really see the amount of incredible value that's being offered here. But like I said, it opens up 35 days into your membership and you get access to all 65 videos. And again, you'll dip in and dip out and get another perspective on things, which is really important. So you're going to really enjoy it, and I can't wait to share this with you in particular. It's absolutely fantastic. As you'd expect, we have supports. Now you can email me at hello@theanxietyexpert.com anytime you've got a question, if you want a video featured, if you want me to cover a topic, I can do that. Just let me know what it is you want recorded. If you need to cancel your membership, hopefully you don't, but if you do, you don't like what's on offer, it's not your thing, whatever the reason is, you can cancel your membership. Here you just go to the support section and you can cancel without even getting in contact with me. So it's all up to you. You control everything. You decide how long you want to stay, how long and when you want to go. It's totally fine. It's all up to you. Make it what you want, but you can cancel anytime you wish to, and that's all sorted automatically for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon.